Well, sadly for those who are exposed to the elements, I'm afraid that the clouds have opened up and it is teeming down here. There are some fans who are going to get very, very wet. Having said which, there are almost no empty seats. It is a terrific turnout under the circumstances. There's nowhere else to go, in truth, if you want to see this much-anticipated game. So, come rain or come shine, we are here and really looking forward to it. This place is living up to its reputation as one of the noisiest corners of the footballing world. No decibels spared in this collective chorus. Jim, this one always matters.
Well, exhibition match.
And De Bruyne! Superb goal!
Well, what a statement of intent. Who better to be the one to have the first say? A cracking opening to this game.
And that is about as cool as they come. He picked his spot expertly.
Well, Peter, I think the keeper knew straight away he was never going to get to it.
Arsenal trail at this early stage. How will they respond? Shin to shin, bicep to bicep, and he wins out. Now it's Bernardo Silva. Real chance here. And it's Kovacic. Has a shot! Oh, glorious! That is a special one! A finish right from the top draw. Hot knife through butter. They have done it again.
Look, there just wasn't much of a gap to begin with, and to find it, I think it was a fine drive, and I don't think the keeper could have really planned for that. I think he's a bit unlucky in that instance.
So that's two now without reply.
Well, they're very much the better team at the moment, Peter, and no doubt will be looking to cause even more damage here.
He's through, now is he in? Partey. To Havertz. Played out towards the right wing. Kovacic. Well, a glitch with the rangefinder there, and evident annoyance.
Oh, that just required a bit more oomph to reach its target.
White. Excellent challenge there, uncompromising. Partey. Can he get it through? That's the throw. Now it's Odegaard. Lewis. Coming up to half-time, leading, and things are looking pretty good. Now it's Grealish. He's picked his way through. Grealish. And it's De Bruyne. Lewis. Now it's Bernardo. Tries a shot! Oh, in for the pieces! And it's there! And the lead is extended still further. And he's only too grateful to capitalise on the keeper's misfortune.
Well, they say all goalkeepers are crazy, and after that, maybe there's some truth in it.
Number 11.
3-0, and things are starting to look awfully cosy. Timber. And that'll be the last act of the first half. So you hear the chants of easy, easy, and those are entirely justified. 3-0 after 45 minutes, and it is hard to believe that there won't be more after the break.
This looks well and truly sewn up already, Peter, but please feel free to forget what I've just said if there's a spectacular turnaround.
It really has been an astonishing game, peppered with goals. You cannot help feeling that the second half will supply more. And we're already back underway here. Haaland! Defence has got rid of that. Threads one in.
Yeah, we get to see this more and more. Defenders popping up in these positions.
There's the hit! It's in! And they are right back within touch! Some heroic goalkeeping, but even that couldn't save them this time.
Yeah, his instinct told him that the keeper would struggle to cope with that, so top marks for him following up. I think it's really sharp play, it was well read, and he was a little quicker than everybody else.
Number 5, Partey.
Arsenal give themselves a fighting chance, back in with a shout.
187.
Oh, he's defended very well against those tricky feet. He has found the way through. That'll be a corner. Rice goes short. Oh, that is a nice touch. Fires. Can he finish? Goal! No space, no problem. You just cannot stop him.
Havertz demonstrated great strength there. I mean, he really had to hold his man off and just create enough room for him to be able to get the shot away. And I think it's just top play.
This is threatening to become a really good game.
To be expected, Peter. They've gone and stepped it up, something they've been threatening to do and will continue to do by the looks of it.
And it's great. Oh, shooting chance! He has done it! And with that goal comes comfort. Oh, beautifully dispatched. There was no reaching that.
He had the whole picture in his head, Peter. He didn't even look at the goalkeeper.
Arsenal can now introduce the first of their substitutes. So the lead now is 2.
Listen, it's up to them now how they think about it from here, because for me it's crying out for them to force the issue.
Now it's Haaland. Bernardo, and Bernardo Silva!
If they want to counter, they could do with more speed.
That looks a good ball through. Oh, look at the space here. And the finish! In for the follow-up! No, not the best of headers.
Substitutions taking place.
Akanji, keep the ball and you win the game. It really is that simple. Now Lewis, he won't be happy with that one. Doku.
6 added minutes has been indicated.
Great ball and he's in here. Shapes to shoot! Oh, that was nice, but not quite the end product required.
That was created because of good, lively movement, which pretty much dictated the pass.
Saka. He's found the way through. Now it's Havertz. Great chance! And that may well be that. That is that. What a satisfying performance. A performance at times of determination and occasionally magic. Simply, they had all the right answers. De Bruyne taking in the accolades, having been named man of the match and deserved.